Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Friday, the 24th day of April 2026, and I'm trying to trade gold XAU USD. Right now I'm just looking for a buy setup. Okay, so all I'm looking for is a bullish confirmation on the 1 minute time frame to take a buy trade. Okay, so when I get that confirmation, I'll tell you what the confirmation is, and I'll enter the trade. Okay, so it's either going to be a bullish fair value gap that I will see, or a bullish engulfing candle, or it could even be a fair value gap that would be inversed. Okay, something like that. So that's the confirmation I'm looking for. Anyone I see, I'm going for it. Okay, so let's just see how it. Okay guys, so I'm back on the charts and I can see that a bullish fair value gap is about to form. It has formed, so I'll be taking my trade from that bullish fair value gap. Okay, I want to set my pending order. You can see the bullish fair value gap right here. Okay, let me give it some room. So that's where I'll be taking my trade from. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come back and trigger that bullish fair value gap, as simple as that. Okay, I'm not going to chase price. Okay, so some traders, when they see price pushing up like this, they quickly enter a buy trade. No, we know our levels where we're going to take our trades from. Let me put my SL. My SL can go below this swing right here. Okay, can go below that swing. So there are two confirmations for this trade. A bearish fair value gap was inversed. Okay, let me get my pointing tool, my arrow. Okay, so you can see this bearish fair value gap. That's why I fixed these two lines here. Okay, so I'm looking for this bearish fair value gap to get inversed. As you can see, price disrespected it, but the disrespect of this bearish fair value gap was not enough. I also needed an extra fair value gap again in order to confirm the trade. Okay, but some traders can actually decide to trade with just this inverse this fair value gap that was inversed. All right, but I needed more confirmation. This is gold, so I need to be very certain to a considerable extent before I make my move and take the trade. Okay, so this fair value gap was inversed. As you can see, price closed above the fair value gap, showing you that it has been disrespected. Then it came back to retest the fair value gap. So those that trade with IFVG can take their trades around here. They can put their SL below this low. Okay, and they would have been in profit by now. Okay, so one thing about using confirmation is that you might enter the trade a little bit late. Okay, but it's like more certain. The probability of the trade going in your favor is higher if you wait for solid confirmation. All right, so I'm waiting for price to come back and trigger this my pending order. As you can see, that's exactly what price is trying to do. One good thing about you not giving up and acquiring the right knowledge is that it will get to a point where you'll be seeing things before they happen. Okay, you'll be seeing things before they happen. I told you guys I'm looking for a bullish setup and I'm waiting for some confirmations. Those confirmations presented themselves. I told you guys I'm not going to enter immediately. I showed you exactly where I'll be entering at, which is this bullish fair value gap. And as price was pushing up, I said it was going to come back to trigger my entry. And that aspect of coming back to trigger my entry is what it is about to do now, and it's still going to do it. Okay, as you can see, it has triggered my position. It has triggered my position, guys. It has triggered my position. So that's what I'm saying. Like, it's all about knowledge. If you get the right knowledge, everything will just be moving accordingly. That does not mean you are not going to take losses, but your losses will be kind of few compared to the wins that you are going to get. Okay, so I'm expecting a push to the upside. All right, let me see. So I'm expecting a push to the upside. As you can see, I'm in a little bit of profit, about $19-20 or so. Okay, so basically let's see how it goes. Don't give up. Get the right knowledge and learn from people that know what they are doing. Okay, get the right knowledge. What's this? 48, 47. Okay, moving to 60. All right, so what was my risk? I can just go for 1 to 2 on this one. What's my risk? I'm risking about $82. 1 to 2, let's say 83. So 1 to 2 for that should be 166, right? So my TP can be $166. $166. Let me see. Trying to 166. Okay. 166. Let me just take 170. Take 170. Okay. Go with 170. It's just that I took just one trade. Okay, assuming I took 2 trades, what I would have done is I would take one profit at this high, because once price clears this high, it has already fulfilled the cycle of internal liquidity to external liquidity. Okay, but I'm betting on the on the trend to continue, so I'm expecting it to still get to this point. But assuming I took 2 trades, I'll take out 1 trade somewhere around here, okay, before it gets to this my 1 to 2. Okay, so price is still pretty much playing around that zone. The hindrance that pushed it down is this bullish fair value gap, but it's not going to, this bearish fair value gap here, but it's not going to hold. Okay, those are taking trades from here. Definitely they will get small reaction, which is what they are getting right now, but price is meant to destroy all of this. Okay, it's meant to destroy all of this and move to my TP. Okay, so let's see how it goes. These are 1 minute candles, so it's not going to take much time. That's why I'm recording the video. Okay, assuming I'm on the 5 minutes time frame, I will just cut, you know, but I'm recording the whole process because each candle is 1 minute, and if price were to just move in my direction, it will just take about maybe 4, 5, 6 candles, so you guys don't have to wait for long. Okay, let's see. For some people that don't know what they are doing and they don't understand their edge yet, once they just, you know, based on luck, enter this kind of trade, they will quickly close. Oh, $34, quickly close. Then you wait for your next luck. So this is not luck. I don't care if it hit my stop loss. That's conviction. I don't care. I'm still going to trade my setup again, another day and another day and another day. That's just how it works. Conviction. Because I've done it over and over again, and I know that more often than not, like, I will always have more wins than losses. Okay, so let's say out of 10 days you have, like, based on your statistics that you have achieved, you know, over time, you know that out of 10 days, let's say you win 6 times and you lose 4 times, or you win 7 times and you win 3 times. If you subtract, you win 7 times and you lose 3 times. If you subtract your 3 losses from your 7 wins, you'll be left with net profits. So what are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? Nobody should be scared of losses, so long you are confident in your system and you end up having more wins than losses. Do the maths, do the plus and minus. What we are looking for as traders is net profits. Don't let the fear of losing keep you in one place for a very long time. Okay, but you can't say you are not scared of losses when you don't have your edge yet. You need to have your edge. You need to have your strategy that works. Okay, that works more more times than it loses. Okay, don't get a shitty strategy that does not make sense. You just be losing anyhow. And sometimes the strategies that some of you use to trade is not really bad, it's just that you do not understand it well enough. That's the truth. There are some tips about that your strategy that you might not know. Okay, for example, the silver bullet strategy. There's a silver bullet strategy that was taught by Michael Oduston. There are some extra tips about that silver bullet that many traders don't know, and those extra tips are what makes you achieve a better result with the silver bullets. If you don't know those things, you just be taking all the silver bullet trades. There are some trades you should avoid. Silver bullet trades, you understand? But a lot of people don't have those understandings now, so later they will say the strategy did not work, whereas it's a lack of some kind of knowledge that they are supposed to have. Okay, so like I said, I would have preferred to take my profits somewhere around here, because this is the certain take profit position. This level now is a certain take profit position. This one is expected. I'm expecting that price should get there, but the certain one is that level up there, so price should clear it. And for those that are trading Malaysian SNR, okay, for Malaysian SNR, I want to, let me copy this. If you are trading Malaysian SNR, you know what this level is. Okay, so that level is supposed to be a resistance level, a resistance level that will push price down. Okay, so price could get there and reverse, you understand? So let's see how this goes. It's taking longer than I expected. I was thinking if you just push, okay, but I'm not gonna panic and chicken out of the trade. No, like I said, I'll let it run. If it likes, it should hit my level 10 times. Still coming back to the same level where I took the trade from. What does that tell you? There are still enough orders there. That's why price is coming back there. There are still enough orders there. Okay, so it's coming back to pick those orders. And if it's a day that the banks really want to manipulate, aside from picking those orders, it will go and pick your stop loss too before now going in your direction. It happens like that. Okay, so let's see. It's very close to my SL. Very close to my SL. I think there's a little bit of manipulation that's about to take place. I'm not going to move my stop loss. I will let it be where it is, though there's an order block here that price could be coming soon. Look at this. So price could dip into this place and push upwards. Let me move my SL to cover that order block. Okay, I moved my SL to cover that order block because price could come to that order block also. Okay, so I could even add more buy trades here if I want to. I could add more buy trades. Let me add one more buy trade. Oh, it's already going back to my level. I wanted to buy low. Like buy very low, because it's still gonna push up. It will get to my TP. It can even get to my TP with one candle. This is a 1 minute time frame. Can just push. I've seen gold do that a lot. Yeah, good. It's coming back again. So let me buy. I want to buy low. Stop loss same level. TP. This level right here. Yes. I've always wanted to put my TP there. So now I have two trades. Second one, you guys saw where I kept the TP. So let's see how it goes. I think at this point I have to cut, and or should I just continue? Because I don't want the video to be too long. It's already getting long. So let me know in the comment section what's the strategy you use to trade. What kind of strategy do you use? Let's know. All right, I might have 1 or 2 tips to give you based on your strategy, whether it's supply and demand, okay, which is SMC, whether it's what's this strategy called, ICT. Okay, we're having a very bullish candle now. All right, so it doesn't matter your strategy. I might have 1 or 2 things, whether it's support and resistance, whether it's MSNR, Malaysian support and resistance, or ICC. That's what's ICC? ICC is more like you have correction, you have indication. The I stands for indication. Okay, so it's more like you have an indication. Price shows you where it wants to go, maybe bullish indication, and then the C stands for correction. That's when it pulls back. Okay, then the last C stands for continuation. So indication, correction, continuation. Simple as that. So no matter your strategy, I will always have 1 or 2 things to tell you, because I've gone through so many strategies. I also develop my own strategies too. You understand? So let's see. So I'm up about $100 on one trade and 45 on the other also. So tell me in the chats the strategy you used, you usually trade with. Let's know. Okay, let's know. So price is choppy. But I know it's gonna push. If I had left my SL here, would it have gotten to it? I don't think so. But I had the understanding that there is an OB here that it could get back to. Okay, so I didn't just shift my stop loss blindly. There's a reason why I did that. Okay, so it can't be this experienced and what's it called? Price will just come and take trades from this other block and still move in my direction, and I'm going to be kicked out. No, I understand that there's another block here. Even when I was taking the trade here, I was considering this, but I didn't want my SL to be too big. That's why I kept it here. Okay, but when I saw the price was coming for the OB, I had to adjust. Okay, so more orders are still being taken. Okay, it's still gonna shoot up. All of this is just engineering liquidity. It's still gonna shoot up this way. So at this point I'm going to cut the video, then you already know where my levels are. I'm not moving anything else again. There is no lower level I can move my SL to. Okay, so this is where the SL is going to be. All the positions are where they are supposed to be. Okay, so I'll just should I cut or should I wait? Because I think I'm about to go bullish. Still taking our time. I don't want to waste much time. So let's see what happens in the next 2 candles. If the next 2 candles, which is just 2 minutes, if the next 2 candles don't hit our TP, then I'll cut and then record after the TPs have been hit, because I know the TPs will definitely get hit. Okay, so after this candle, oh, one is gone, guys. One is gone. All right, so I have like 1 more candle or 2 more candles to go. That's if it will just push. You can see it's clearing that eye. Okay, second one is also gone. Okay, So guys, it's all about knowledge. Just get the right knowledge and you'll be good, and learn from a mentor that knows what he's doing. Okay, so basically that's all I have for you guys today, and that's the only trade I'll be taking today. I go again tomorrow. Alright, so if you're a new viewer, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.